Hi, I'm Gordo.
Hi, Gordo.
I'm a janitor. Well, I used to be a janitor. Now I'm an actor and I portray Pete the Janitor. Not much of a step up, is it?
Hi, my name is Diana Marie.
Hi, Diana Marie.
And I'm an actor, and I play the resourceful and dramatic Aggie.
Hello, I'm Eric.
Hi, Eric.
I play the irrepressible Sprugg, who is proudly alcoholic. He drinks to lubricate the inside of his head.
In vino veritas.
I'll drink to that.
Non solum veritas, sed veritas do opertat. Not only truth, but truth as an alibi.
Here's to it, amen.
Amen.
You're probably not bad people under it all. You've just gotten a little foolish, eh? And you've got your drinking problem. You ever try AA, eh?
We could leave the past behind us because when you're in a new room, you're a new person with new opportunities. We've been elevated like the Pope.
Sure. I know you people. You bring it on yourselves.
What shall it be? Something light, delicate. I do not believe persons in authority should drink indelicately.
No, but
If you can't have what you want, you can pretend. If you can't pretend, what is there?